In front of me is ASUS ZENFONE 10, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. After that, tap on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like camera. After that, click on one of your apps, in my case maybe Chrome, and apply the best option for you from the list of available ones. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I click and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this browser. But you can always pick any feature, then tap on an app that you are interested in, and instead of selecting one of those options, click on See All Chrome Permissions at the bottom of the list. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!